Welcome. If you want to change lock method on your Huawei P40 Lite E, the first thing is just to open the settings. Then you have to move to the security and privacy. And as you can see, there is the section for lock screen password, face recognition, fingerprint ID. So you can choose, pick one of them. I will go for the lock screen password, and I'm gonna set the lock screen, and my pin will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to confirm it with the same, of course. And yeah, now we add the lock screen password, but also we can add the fingerprint. So let's start. And now we have to flip our phone, and as you can see, here it is, the fingerprint. So now we have to put the finger here, and when we feel the vibration, we have to lift our finger and put him again on the scanner. Okay, and as you can see, our fingerprint has been successfully scanned. And right now we can just press OK. And just to show you that it works, I'm gonna lock the screen and try to unlock with the lock screen pin. So as I said, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and of course with the fingerprint. So let me just touch it, and yeah, this is how it works on the Huawei P40 Lite E. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.